Did you guys all sleep well?
너. 이야. 왜 너야? 잠을.
Why is it no?
예, 어제 한 게 딱 기억해야 됩니다.
Please remember what we talked about yesterday.
복음 영적 서밋.
The Gospel Spiritual Summit.
여러분 복음 놓치면 안 돼요.
You must not lose the Gospel.
여러분 세상에서 성공하는 것도 중요하지만은 복음 없이 성공하면 실패합니다.
It is important that you succeed in the world, but if you succeed without the Gospel, it's not going to work out.
여러분이 아무리 복음을 가져도 기준이 영적인 것이 아니고 세상적인 게 되면요 성공하고도 실패합니다.
But no matter how much gospel you may have, if your standard does not become that of the gospel and instead become that of the world, then you will not succeed.
꼴등하는 거 이런 거면 너무 이렇게 신경 쓸 필요는 없지만 그러나 여러분은 성공해야 됩니다.
You don't have to worry too much about the fact that you may be the last in the class, but you do have to succeed in the world.
세상 살려야 되기 때문에.
Because you have to save the world.
그래서 어제 강의의 제목이 이거였는데 오늘도 똑같은 거 할 겁니다.
And because yesterday, last night we talked about the Gospel Spiritual Summit, and today's title will be the same.
근데 어제 메시지는 복음 영적 서밋의 전체 주제 속에서 어제는 뭐냐? 각인 뿌리 체질 바꿔야 된다.
So yesterday's message, we did talk about the same theme, the Gospel Spiritual Summit, but the overarching theme of yesterday's message was that we have to change and alter our imprint, root, and nature.
복음 없는 사람이 재앙 속에 들어갈 수밖에 없잖아요.
Because if you don't have the gospel, you are bound to be in the darkness and
근데
disaster.
복음 가진 사람이 왜 자꾸 문제 오느냐?
But why do people with the gospel continue to face the problem and fail?
예수 믿기 전부터 가지고 있던 각인 뿌리 체질 그거 가지고 살아간다.
It's because of the imprint, root, and nature they had before they believed in Jesus.
열심히 교회 다니는데 내 안에 있는 각인 뿌리 체질 다른 말로 하면 내 기준은 안 바뀌어 있다 이 말이야.
People come to church diligently, and yet their imprint, nature, and their root, which means who they are, is not completely changed.
여러분이 복음을 누리면서 요거만 딱 바꾸면은 그때부터 역사가 일어납니다.
As you enjoy the gospel, if you just change this, then that works will take place from that moment on.
각인 뿌리 체질을 바꾸기 위해서는 뭐 해야 되느냐?
Then in order to change your imprint, root, and nature, what must you do?
집중을 해야 됩니다.
You need to concentrate.
어른들하고 같이 수련회 할 때보다 이 렘넌트 수련회 하니까 훨씬 좋네요.
And I do feel better to do the Remnant retreat than the adult retreat.
찬양 인도하시는 분도 잘하고요.
And the praise leader is doing really well as well.
또 우리 한국에서 렘넌트들이 올 때마다 같이 작년에도 하고 올해도 수련을 했는데 약간 개구장이처럼 보여도 한국에서 훈련을 잘 받아가지고 집중이 잘 돼요.
And each year we have our Korean remnants joining us for the retreat. And this year it seems like even though people they're trying to have a lot of fun, I see that they're concentrating on the message as well.
비행기가 뜨려고 하면요. 한 시속 400km 정도, 한 400마일 정도를 잡고요. 1,500km를 달려야 됩니다.
And so if for an airplane to lift off or take off, that airplane needs to go in the speed of 400 kilometers per hour and it must run about 500 miles.
일정한 한계 속도를 가지고 일정한 시간 또는 일정한 거리를 집중해서 달려야 비행기가 뜰 수 있어요.
So for the certain amount of speed or velocity, it has to run the runway in this certain amount of time and certain amount of distance.
여러분의 각인 뿌리 체질을 바꾸려고 하면은 완전히 집중해야 된다.
So if you were to change your imprint, root, and nature, then you have to concentrate completely.
그런데 일정한 시간 또는 일정한 거리를 집중해서 달린다는 말 속에는 뭐가 들어있냐? 지속이 돼야 돼.
So when I tell you that you have to run a certain amount of time and certain amount of distance in full concentration, it means you have to concentrate but in continuity.
여러분이 집중과 지속이 되면은 각인 뿌리 체질이 바뀝니다.
Because if you are able to change or concentrate and move in continuity, then you can change your imprint, root, and nature.
그럼 영적인 뭐가 바뀌느냐? 영적 흐름이 바뀌는 거예요.
But then what happens if you do so spiritually? The spiritual flow changes.
자 보세요. 요셉이 형들에게 팔렸다.
Now look at this. Joseph was sold by his brothers.
분명히 흐름은 형들에게 팔려가 죽을 뻔했으니까 망하는 흐름입니다.
Truly, the problem is that Joseph was sold by his brothers, that he was entering into the flow of failure.
억울하게 감옥에 갔습니다.
And he was framed and thrown into prison.
분명히 세상 기준으로 볼 적에는 그 흐름이 실패할 수밖에 없는 흐름입니다.
In the worldly standard, if you look at it carefully, you see that Joseph's flow was a failure.
그런데 요셉은 어릴 때부터 복음 영적 서밋 속에 들어요.
But ever since he was young, Joseph was in the gospel spiritual summit.
그러다 보니까요 각인 뿌리 체질이 바뀌어 버렸어요.
And because of that, his imprint, root, and nature changed.
문제가 오니까 각인이 더 창조적인 각인이 됐어요.
When a problem approached him, that imprint became more creative.
문제가 오면 올수록 임마누엘이 더
So the
느려요.
more he faced the problem, the more he was able to enjoy Emmanuel.
문제가 오면 올수록 더 성령 충만 속으로
The more
들어가요.
he faced the problem, the more he entered into the filling of the Holy Spirit.
문제가 오면 올수록 복음적으로 해석을
The
하는
more he fell into the problem, the more he had spiritual and gospelized interpretation.
문제에 집중하지 아니하고 하나님께 집중했다.
So he didn't focus on the problem, so he focused on God.
하나님의 언약에 집중했다.
He focused on the covenant of God.
그리고 지속했습니다.
And then he continued.
흔들리지 않았다. 이
He
말이에요.
was not shaken.
속지 않았다. 이
He was
말이에요.
not deceived.
다윗도
It's
마찬가지예요.
same for the David.
성경에 나오는 렘넌트에 지속했다니까.
And so all the remnants of the Bible, they continued.
시험 들지
They
않았다니까.
didn't fall into trials.
포기하지
They didn't give
않았다니까.
up.
낙심하지
They didn't fall into
않았다니까.
discouragement.
그러니까네 전부 영적 흐름이 문제가 축복이 돼
So
버렸어요.
that's why all the spiritual flow turned all the blessings into blessing, all the problems into blessings.
분명히 무능한데
And accurately, he is incompetent.
형은 요셉을 팔 수 있으니까 유능하잖아.
And think about this: Joseph's brothers were able to solve Joseph. That's why the Joseph brothers had power.
형들이 파는데 팔려갈 수밖에 없으니까 요셉은
So
무능하잖아.
Joseph had no choice but to be sold by his brothers, so he was incompetent.
골리앗은 유능하잖아.
But Goliath is competent.
다윗의 형들은 유능하잖아.
David's brothers are competent
세상적으로.
in worldly sense. That is.
근데 다윗은 무능하잖아.
But David is incompetent.
그런데 그 무능이 바뀌어 가지고 시대 살릴 응답으로
But that
바뀌어.
incompetence changed into the power that can change the entire age.
이게 영적 흐름을 바꿔.
That is what it means to change the spiritual flow.
어제 각인 뿌리 체질 이야기하는데 여기 뭡니까? 집중.
That's why yesterday we talked about the imprint, root, and nature. This is equal to concentration.
오늘은 지속입니다.
Today is continuation.
천명, 소명, 사명
Heavenly mandate, calling, and commission.
이 메시지를 할 겁니다.
I'm going to give you the message about this.
근데 놓치지 말아야 될 단어.
there's something-
영적 복음 서밋.
There's something that you must not lose hold of. The term that you must hold on to today is the Gospel Spiritual Summit.
목사님 나는 공부도 꼴등인데요.
And you may say, Pastor, I'm the last in my class.
글쎄요. 복음 가진 꼴등 괜찮아요.
And that really doesn't matter because if you have the gospel, even though you may be the last in class, it will be fine.
목사님
I tell
이야기하잖아요.
you as a pastor.
어차피 꼴등이니까 포기한다 이러지 마세요.
But do not give up just because you are the last in the class.
한 명만 제끼세요.
But just go advanced, at least one person.
꼴등이면요. 꼴등 다음까지만 딱 제끼면 돼요.
And become better than at least one person.
그 말은 성적을 이야기하는 게 아니고요. 최선을 다해서 노력한다는 이야기죠.
But I'm not saying that you should become, you should worry about your grades, but you have to do your best.
목사님은 역사와 국어를 노력을 해봤어요.
So, Pastor, I tried to study Korean.
그런데 노력을 조금 해보니까 뭘 느끼냐. 나에게 천재성이 있다는 걸 알았어요.
In history. And when I was working hard, one day I realized that I had this genius idea.
그냥 다른 사람에 비해서 훨씬 투자를 적게 해도 빨리 알아요.
And so, even though I don't pay or even I don't put much effort or much time on it or invest a lot of time, I can grasp the idea.
그런데 물리를 해봤어요.
But I've studied physics.
일단 내 머리는 물리 머리는 아니라는 걸 알았어요.
So already I figured that I can't be a physicist.
목사님의 머리는 물리 쪽에는 완전히 바보라는 걸
So
알았어요.
one day I realized that I'm complete stupid for physics.
안 하고 바보다가 아니고요. 최선을 다해도 점수가 안 나와.
But I didn't say that I'm stupid in physics just because, but rather I studied and tried hard and came to realization.
나는 확실히 나는 물리학은 내하고는 상관이
So then,
없다.
accurately
확실해.
speaking, physics is not my subject.
그 내가 뭘 잘하고 뭘 못하는 거 확실히 알면 되는 거예요.
But I just have to know what I'm good at, what I'm not good at.
그 정도면 되는 겁니다.
That's all I need.
그리고 복음 영적 서밋 속으로 들어가라니까.
And then just enter into the Gospel Spiritual Summit.
그 여러분 여기 가면 뭐 하면 되느냐?
What do you do when you reach there?
물리가 필요하면 물리 잘하는 놈 불러
If you
쓰면
need
돼.
physics, then you just have to hire someone who knows the physics and work.
유 목사님 보세요.
Look at Pastor Ryu.
영어 잘하셨다 하더라고요.
But I heard that he spoke English very well.
유 목사님 세대나 저희 세대야 뭐 영어 문법이야 잘하지.
So Pastor Yu's generation and my generation, we all know grammar very well.
목사님이 ESL 테스트 가니까 하시는 말씀이 미국인보다 영어 잘하는데
So
말하고
when I
바로 왔나
first came
이러더라고요.
to study or take an exam for ESL, the examiner, the proctor, told me that you are better than native speakers. So why are you here?
당신 가르칠 교수들도 없고 그룹도 안 만들어진다.
So the proctor said that there's no professor who can actually teach you, and I can't even form a group who can teach you.
근데 나는 뭐 영어 못하는데 뭐.
But the truth be told, I am not
말이 안
speaking
되는
English
거 못하네.
because I can't speak English.
그런데 보세요. 유 목사님 보세요.
But look at Pastor Yu.
통역용은 다 붙어가지고 하잖아.
So he has all these interpretation workers for him.
러시아 가면 러시아 통역용은 다
So
붙어.
when he goes to Russia, he has a Russian interpreter.
일본 가면 일본
When he goes to
통역
Japan, there's a Japanese interpreter.
스페인 가면은 스페니시 붙고
When he goes to Spain, he has a Spanish
프랑스
interpreter.
가면 프랑스 사람
When he goes to
붙고
France, he has a French interpreter.
그 통역 붙는 정도가 아니고 한국에 프랑스, 스페니시, 러시아, 중국어 뭐 각 세계 종족 언어별로 전부 훈련받아
So
나와가지고
he doesn't only have interpreters wherever he goes and visit that particular country, but rather in Korea, they have all different interpreters from French, Spanish, Chinese, and other languages.
한국인 이세가 아니고 현지인이라니까.
So it's not that they are the Korean native speakers, or rather they are their own language, their own native speaker,
이 다락방
the
보고
country's native speaker.
운동만이 세계 보고만 할 수 있다 해가지고 그분들이 자기 나라 와가지고
So all
들어와가지고
these native speakers, they realize the Tarapang movement is the only way to save the world. That's why they are in America, in Korea, to help him about that.
여러분이 복음 영적 서밋 속으로 들어가 버리면 끝나는
So if
겁니다.
you enter into the Gospel Spiritual Summit, then the games will be over.
근데 오늘 기도 수첩이 뭡니까?
But what was today's prayer journal?
오늘 지속의 포인트입니다.
So today's message was the point of continuation.
근데 내가 뭐 금요일을 맞춰가 설교 준비한 거 아니에요.
So it's not that I prepared some sort of sermon so I can give on Friday service.
하다가 보니까 오늘 딱 지속하고 딱
But
맞다니까.
while doing this, I came to realize that this message is continued to that prayer journal's message.
각인 뿌리 체질 바꾸기 위해서 집중해야
So in
되고요.
order to change the imprint, root, and nature, you have to concentrate.
그러면 뭐가 발견되지냐? 천명, 소명, 사명이 발견.
Then what do you discover? You discover the heavenly mandate, calling, and commission.
시대의 영적 흐름을 확 바꿔버렸어요.
And you'll be able to change the entire age and the flow of the age.
현장의 영적 흐름을 확 바꿔버렸어요.
You'll be able to change the flow of the field.
그거 하는 일이 천명, 소명, 사명이에요.
And that work is done by the heavenly mandate, calling, and commission.
그거 지속하는 거예요.
And you continue that.
그래서 이제는 내가 먹고 마시고 생활하는 것 때문에 흔들리지 않아요.
So-
그 길을 탁 가는 거예요.
So then you're not going to be wavered by the fact that you have to eat and you have to feed yourself, but rather you'll just focus on this.
그래서 어제 메시지가 뭐예요?
That's why what was
그리고
yesterday's message?
성경이 뭐예요?
What was the Bible?
그리스도 붙잡으면 모든 흐름이
If
바뀌어버린다.
you hold to Christ, then all the flow will change.
그리스도의 복음 진짜 각인 뿌리 체질 완전히 바뀌어버린다.
And truly, if you hold on to the covenant of Christ, then all the imprint, nature, and root will change.
그런 렘넌트 한 명을 통해 가지고 뭡니까? 전부 재앙의 흐름이 흘러갔는데 축복의 흐름으로 바뀌었다.
There were only one remnant who are like that. They were able to change that flow of disaster into that of blessing.
모세 한 명 나왔는데
Moses, he was only one person.
이스라엘 전 백성이 애굽에서 남자들은 다 죽어야 되는 재앙의 흐름이었는데
So they had the flow where all the men, Israelites men, had to die.
축복의 흐름으로 바뀌어버렸어요.
But that flow turned into that of blessing.
여러분 에스더서 알잖아요.
You know the book of Esther.
지금 홀로코스트 해가지고 뭡니까? 유대인들이 2차 대전 때 600만 명이 히틀러한테 죽었습니다.
You know the incident of the Holocaust. 6 million Jews died because of Hitler.
그런데 2차 대전 홀로코스트 그 이전에 유대인을 완전히 죽이려고 하는 일이 있었는데 그게 에스더 시대에
During the Second World War. But before that war, you see the Israelites also faced the genocide before that, and that was in the age of Book of Esther.
복음 붙잡고요 기도 속으로 깊게 들어가는 에스더 있으니까 뭡니까? 죽을 뻔하던 민족이요 완전히 살아나 버렸어요.
Esther entered into the gospel in death, holding on to that covenant. That's why even though all the Israelites were about to face that genocide, they were able to avoid that because of Esther.
하나님이 역사해 버리니까 왕이 갑자기 불면증이 걸려 버렸어요.
When God worked upon that age, all of a sudden, king had nightmares.
잠이 안 오는 거야.
He could not go to sleep. He had insomnia.
그러니까 할 짓이 없으니까 이 책 저 책 쓰다 보니까 이거 모르드게라는 놈이 나왔네.
And so because he couldn't go to sleep at night, he was flipping through the books. And he found out about this one man called Mordecai.
모르드게가 왕을 살렸네.
And Mordecai saved a king.
이 사람한테 상 줬나?
And so the king asked, did I prize him?
왜 상을 준
Did I
기록이
reward
없냐?
him? And he was saying, I don't remember rewarding him.
그럼 이런 사람은 어떻게 상 줘야 되겠냐?
So then the king thought, how should I reward such a man like
그
this?
하만이라는 놈이 뭐라고 이야기했냐면은 자기 복이라는 줄 알고 막 하여튼 제일 좋은 상을 줘야 된다고
So then
이야기했어요.
Haman, he actually thought that he's going to be the one who will be rewarded. So he said, you need to give the greatest gift you can give.
근데 하만 지가 그게 죽었고 그래.
But turned out Haman was put to death
그
because of that.
하만이 추천해가 이런 상 줘야 된다는 거 모르드게가 다 받아버렸어.
And so when Haman recommended himself think that about all the rewards, Mordecai received all the rewards.
왕이요 상황이 얼마나 긴급한 걸 알았어요.
And so king caught that the situation was very urgent.
희한한 지시를 내렸어요.
And so he made a very strange decree.
절대로 유대인은 죽이면 안 된다 이 말만 해야 되는데 그 말이 아니고 절대로 유대인 죽이지 말되 모든 유대인들은 자기를 방어할 수 있다.
He was just supposed to say that you must not kill any Jew, but rather he went beyond that. He said you must not kill any Jew, and including that, Jews have the right to defend themselves.
유대인을 죽이려고 하면은 그 사람을 죽여도 무죄다.
If you were to kill Jew, and that Jew in turn kill you, then that Jew will be innocent.
보세요.
Look at this.
영적 흐름이 바뀌어 버렸다.
So the spiritual flow changed.
여러분의 가정이요 우리 집은 되는 게 없고 이거 막 집구석이 망하는 집구석이다 싶을 적에 여러분 한 분이 복음 제대로 받아버리면 빡 바뀌어.
So in your family, you may say, "Oh, my family has no hope; it's so hopeless and helpless." Then you just have to hold on to the gospel. Then the game will be over.
아브라함 보세요.
Look at Abraham.
우상 섬겨 가지고 완전히 쫄딱 망한
Worshiping the
집안이야.
idols, you see that his family completely failed.
그런데 복의 근은
But he became principal source of
그
blessing.
4대 만에 요셉을 통해 전 애굽을
So
정복.
within 4 generations, through Joseph, entire Egypt was gospelized.
여러분이요 재앙이 변해 가지고요 축복으로 바뀝니다.
So disasters will turn into blessing.
이런 축복이 누려지기를 바랍니다.
May you be able to enjoy this type of blessing.
여러분이 진짜 천명, 소명, 사명, 복음 언약 붙잡고 지속하면 어떤 일이 벌어지느냐?
Truly, when you hold on to the heavenly mandate, calling, and commission, and hold on to the gospel and continue on, do you know what happens?
복음이 증거되는 현장마다
So in each field where the gospel is preached,
그리스도가 증거되는
in each
현장마다
field where Christ was preached,
말씀이 증거되는
in each
현장마다
field where the word was preached.
말씀의 핵심이 그리스도잖아요.
So you know the core of the word is Christ.
모든 흑암은요 다 무너져 버립니다.
All forces of darkness was bound.
흑암은 다 무너지고요 전부 빛의 흐름이
The
바뀝니다.
same thing will happen. All the forces of darkness will be bound and the light will be shown.
쉽게 말하면은 전도의 흐름으로 바뀝니다.
Simply put, the flow of evangelism will be
생명
created.
살리는 흐름으로
And the
바뀝니다.
flow of saving souls will be created.
여러분이 진짜 복음 붙잡고요 기도 속으로 들어가는 거예요.
Holding on to the gospel, enter into prayer.
복음 누리는 기도 속으로 들어가요.
Enter into the prayer of enjoying the gospel.
그러면 어떤 일이
Then what
벌어지냐?
happens?
여러분은 분명히 무능한데 이상하게 축복이 돼버려요.
Undoubtedly, you are incompetent, but strangely, that will turn into your blessing.
응답이 와버린다니까.
And the answers will just come.
문제투성인데 축복이 돼버려요.
And you are filled with problems, but you will become filled with blessings.
분명히 사람들이 보면 무능한데요. 응답받아
So when
버려요.
others see you, you are incompetent, but you will receive answers.
아니 그렇잖아요.
Truly, it is
아무리
like this.
똑똑해 뭐요. 응답이 안 오는 데는 방법이
So
없어요.
what's the use? No matter how smart you may be, if you don't have any answers, it's of no use.
인생이 안 풀리는 데는
Because
어떻게
your life will not get along that well.
목사님 자랑이 아니고 학교 다니지 공부 못한다 소리는 안 들었어요.
And so I'm not trying to boast about myself, but when I was in school, I was not the worst.
워낙 체질이 농띠 체질이에요.
But I loved having fun.
난 공부하기가 싫어.
So I decided not to study.
대신 나는 결코 공부를 못하는 사람이 아니라는 거는 부모님 앞에도 보여야 되고 선생님 앞에도
But
보여야
I
돼요.
had to show my parents, as well as my teacher, that I'm not someone who gave up on my studying.
간단해요.
So it's simple.
전교 1등은 무조건 한 학년에 한 번씩은 딱 해요.
So at least once a year, I became a top of the class.
그럼 선생님들 깜짝 놀라죠.
So all my teachers were surprised.
부모님도
And
놀라죠.
all my parents were surprised.
정 1등이 안 되면 5등 안에는 들어요.
And even if I can't be the top of the class, I at least became the top 5.
그 다음부터 공부 안 해요.
And after that, I didn't study.
그냥 살아가요.
That's just how I lived.
그런데요. 내 인생이 안 풀리는 데는 방법이 없어요.
However, when my life didn't get along that well, there was nothing that I could do.
중학교 가니까요. 우리 학교를 대표해 가지고 5명 뽑아 가지고 특수 학교로 시험 치러 가라고.
When I was in middle school as a representative, our school picked top 5 and they were called for a special examination.
혹시 다른 놈은 다 떨어져도 주영규는 걸릴 거다 했는데 딴 놈 다 붙고 내만 떨어졌어.
So all people were saying that it really doesn't matter who gets in that 5, but I'm sure Ju Young-gi will be the top 5, but I was not.
용서하세요.
Please forgive me what I say.
선생님들이 내가 시험 떨어질 거라고 생각은 안 하는데 목사님은 1차에 시험 합격해 본 적이 없어.
And so my teacher, they all did not doubt my ability. But for me, I've never passed my exam in first try.
공무원 시험 쳤어요.
And I actually had the public exam.
다른 놈 다 떨어져도 나는 붙을 거라고 했어요.
And everybody said that, people will fail, but you will not.
그래서 9급 같은 거는 우리가 막 가소로워서 칠 수 있겠냐.
And so in Korea, they have different degrees in public officials. And I tested for the 9th degree.
아무리 못해도
And the people were
7급은
saying, 9th degree, 7th degree, they're all easy, so you will pass that exam.
요즘으로 치면 4급
The
쳐야
national test, basically. So nowadays, I could have become a very high public official.
다 붙었는데 내만 떨어졌어요.
Everyone else who said that passed. I
안
failed.
돼요, 안 돼.
So things were not just working out for me.
잘하면 뭐합니까? 안
It really
풀리는데.
doesn't matter no matter how well I study, because if I don't pass the exam, I don't pass the exam.
저 예수 믿었어요.
But I believed in Jesus.
시험 쳤어요.
And I took an exam.
대학교 등록금 발행하기 위해서 고등학교 졸업하고 대학교 합격하고 난 후에 직장생활 1년
So
했다니까.
what I did is that actually, after getting into college, after high school, graduating from high school, I got into college. In order to pay for my tuition, I deferred my admission and wanted to work for a year.
3개월 만에 시험 쳤어요.
And within 3 months of that time, I had an exam.
뭐 시험 치는 게 뭐 영어, 그다음에 뭐 기하학 뭐 이런 거
So
치더라고요.
it's a skill examination. So I had to study math as well as English.
기적이 일어났어요.
And a miracle took place.
목사님이 해운회사 다니는데 해운회사 역사에 10년 이래로 퍼펙트 100점.
I used to work at a shipping company or trading company, and within the history of that trading company, I became the only person who got the full score, the 100%.
더 놀라운 거.
But something more surprising.
대학 졸업한 것도 아니고 고등학교 졸업해가지고 들어와가 있는.
I didn't graduate from college. I only graduated from high school, and yet I was the one who had the full score.
졸지에 제 이름이 그냥 올림픽 금메달리스트처럼 전 해운업계
So
알아듣고
all of a sudden, my name was well known throughout all the training companies throughout the nation, as if I'm a gold medalist in Olympic.
그 목사님이 결혼하니까네 목사님 부모님은 안 계시고 형님이 계시는데 사모님에게 이야기했다잖아요.
And so later, they realized that I didn't have my parents back then, but I had a brother, older brother, and someone told him.
우리 동생은 공부 잘하는데 인생이 안 풀린다.
And so later, my brother told my wife that my brother, my younger brother, was really good at studying, and yet things were not getting along with him.
우리 동생은 너무 착한데 1년에 한 번씩 경찰서에 꼭 간다.
My older brother told my wife that, my younger brother is really, really nice, and yet he always went to the police officer. He always went to the police station at least once a year.
지나가다가요 코카콜라 그 빈병무 하나인데 그거 내가 깼다고 잡혀가고요.
And so I was just walking down the street, and there was something that happened with a Coke bottle or something, and I was arrested by a police officer because I did something wrong. But I didn't
책방에
do anything.
가가지고 책 샀는데 돈 안 주고 갔다고 잡혀가고요.
And I went to the bookstore to purchase a book, but later someone said that I didn't pay for my book, so I got arrested again.
에반젤리만 하는 애가 길을 잃고 있어가지고 때리고 밧줄소 때려줬는데 유괴범이라고.
And so I saw a little girl like Evangeline walking down the street alone, so I actually took her thinking that I need to be careful, so I took that baby to the police station so I could register for that child, but later someone told me that I abducted that kid, so I got arrested again.
그걸 보고 인생 더럽게 안
So this
풀린다.
is how my life got very, very dirty.
의심하는 데는 내가 무슨 증거를
And
대도
so-
완전 범죄야.
When other people doubted me so much, no matter how many evidence and alibi I had, I could not defend myself.
어느 날 경찰이 내 포켓을 뒤졌어요.
And one day, a police officer searched my wallet.
수첩에다가 깨알처럼 명언을 다 적어놨어요. 이렇게.
And so there was the note with many quotes.
그러면 정상적이면 이걸 보면서 얘는 보니까 아주 착한 생각을 갖고 있구나 이래야 되는데 얘가 살판 돌았구나 이래
So
이야기하더라고.
normally when people read those things, that note, then people will say, oh, this person is thinking a lot and pondering a lot. But rather, this person strangely thought that I was crazy.
너무너무 이상주의자다.
So that police officer was saying that, oh, he's so too idealistic.
그러므로 현실에 불만이 많을 것이다.
So I'm sure he will have so much complaints about the present reality.
그래서 이런 죄를 지었을 거다.
And so I'm sure he committed such crime.
그런데 이거 보니까 지성인이다.
And now he is well learned.
그러니까 완전 범죄를
So I'm sure he was able to have that crime completely.
미치고 폴딱대는 거야.
So I was going insane.
증거를 대도 안 통해.
So I had my evidence and yet it did not work.
내가 그때 요셉을 알 때면 요셉이 이렇게 했다는데 그때는 몰랐어요.
Back then, if I knew who Joseph was, then I would have coped with that. But I didn't know who Joseph was back then.
내가 지금 무슨 이야기 하나?
What am I trying to tell you?
안 풀리는 데는 방법이 없어.
When things are not getting along well, there's nothing you can do.
공부 잘하면 뭐 합니까?
What's the use when you study well?
똑똑하면 뭐 합니까?
You're smart. What's the use of
착하면 뭐
that?
합니까?
You are nice. What's the use of
인생이
that?
안 풀리는데
When your life is not getting along.
그게 무능한 거 아니에요.
Only then you are incompetent.
그런데 못 배워도요 응답 오는 데는 방법 없잖아요.
But even though you are not well learned, if you receive answers, there's nothing you can do about that either.
하나님이 응답 주니까 어떤 일이 벌어지는지
So when
알아요?
God gives you an answer, do you know what happens?
50 먹은 아저씨가 아이고 주 선생님 이러더라고.
And so this one 50-year-old gentleman came and said, "Oh, Mr. Jew,"
아저씨 이거 이렇게 해야
greeted me
됩니다.
very well. And I said, you have to do this and that.
그러면요 20살밖에 안 돼 내 말을 듣고요 50, 60 먹은 사람 다 해요.
And when I was 20 years old, that's what I did. I was instructing the 60-year-old, 50-year-old gentleman, and they all obeyed what I said.
응답 오는 데는 방법이.
And because I received an answer,
뭘 설명할 겁니까?
when you receive an answer, there's nothing you can do about that.
내가 뭐
How are you going to
똑똑해서
explain
그러냐고.
that? Is it because you are smart?
혹자는 그런 식으로 말하겠죠.
Many people may speculate that
근데
way.
나는 나를 알잖아.
But I know myself.
그게 아니라 이 말이야.
That's not it.
여러분 진짜 제대로 복음 속으로 들어가죠.
And truly enter into the gospel.
여러분 그래서 교회는요 오직 그리스도만 말해야 됩니다.
That's why the church must only talk about Christ.
그래야 전 성도들이 이쪽으로 들어간다니까.
Only then may all the members of the church enter into this.
복음 속으로 들어간다.
They will enter into the gospel.
영적 세계 속으로
They will
들어간다.
enter into the spiritual realm.
진짜 서밋 속으로
They will enter into the
들어간다.
true and genuine summit.
기도의 비밀 모른다.
If you don't know the mystery of
복음의
prayer,
비밀을
if you
모른다.
don't know the mystery of the
전도의
gospel,
비밀을
if you don't
모른다.
know the mystery of the evangelism,
렘넌트 아니에요.
then you are not a remnant.
서밋 아니에요.
You are not a summit.
렘넌트가 뭐예요?
What is the remnant?
어떤 환경에도 살아남을 수 있는 비밀을 가지고.
Who are the remnants? Remnants who have the mystery to survive in all situations.
아니 서밋 되면 뭐합니까?
What's the use when you become a summit?
대통령하고 자살해보면 뭔 소용이
When
있어요?
you become a president and commit suicide, what's the use of becoming a summit?
어떤 경우에도 살아남을 수 있어요.
In all situations, you must be able to survive.
그래서 여러분이 뭐 해야 됩니까?
So then then what must you do?
앞으로 시대는요, 영적 문제에 심각한 시대가 옵니다.
In each age, you see the spiritual problems plowed in. And later, we will see the spiritual problem arising in the future as well.
정신병 시대가 온다 이 말이에요.
And the age of mental disorder will happen as well.
모든 게 발달했는데 현장에 가보면요, 막 영적이 시달리고 정신적으로 시달리는 사람 너무 많습니다.
Everything else is advanced. If you go into the field, you see that there are more mental patients. There are more people who are afflicted with the mental disorders.
앞으로 종교 통합 시대가 옵니다.
And later on, there will be an age of ecumenism.
이게요, 천주교와 대형교회 중심으로
So
일어납니다.
ecumenism is the unification of other religions, all the religions, and that will happen throughout that Catholic churches and center around large churches.
뉴에이지, 프리메이슨, 유대인을 중심으로 문화를 막 이상하게 만들어 가니까요. 그냥 우리 렘넌트들이 그 속에 막 게임이고 뭐고 들어가 있다가 나도 모르게 영적 문제가
So
버립니다.
strange cultures were developed center around the Jews and Freemasons and New Agers. That's why our remnants, they even play the game, the same game, and they are all of a sudden taken aback by that spiritual flow.
천주교와 복음 없는 대형교회를 중심으로 종교 통합은
So center around the Catholicism as well as a large church without the gospel, they will form ecumenism.
모슬렘을 중심으로 종교 전쟁 시대.
And also center around Muslims, we will have the warfare, the religious warfare.
앞으로 이런 시대가 온다니까.
And so in the future, things like this will happen.
이게 재앙입니다.
This is a disaster.
미래에 일어날 재앙.
This is a disaster that's impending in the future.
이걸 누가 막아야 되느냐?
Then who should block this?
여러분이 막아야 돼.
You must block it.
대통령이 돼 가지고
As you become a president,
복음 가진 정치인이 돼
and after
가지고
becoming a politician with the gospel,
복음 가진 경제인이 돼
after
가지고
becoming an economist with the gospel,
진짜 복음 가진 행정가가 돼.
after becoming an administrator with the gospel,
복음 가진 교육가가
after
돼.
becoming an educator with the gospel,
이거 해결해야 돼.
you must resolve
그래서
this issue.
서밋이라고.
That's why you need to become a summit.
다른 서밋이 아니고
It's
복음
not
가진 영적 서밋.
other summit, but the summit with the spiritual gospel.
세상 사람들은 서밋인데요. 영적인 걸 몰라요.
Other people in the world, they are the summit, but they are unaware of the spiritual fact.
세상 문제는 영적 문제라는 걸 몰라요.
So in the world, they don't know about the spiritual problems.
영적 문제는 오직 복음으로만 해결된다는
Spiritual
걸
problems
몰라요.
are only resolved by the gospel.
이거 단어 3개 꼭 기억하세요.
So please remember these three terminologies.
이번 수련의 메시지 다 까먹어도 좋으니까 요거는 딱 까먹어요.
You may forget about all the messages of this retreat, but please remember three terminologies.
복음, 영적 성.
The gospel, spirit, summit.
그래서 여러분 그리스도를 딱 붙잡았다.
So that's how you hold to Christ.
그러면 모든 흐름을 바꿀 수 있어요.
Then you'll be able to change the entire flow.
그래서 여러분이 뭐 해야 됩니까? 그리스도.
Then now, Christ.
마가복음 10장 45절 보니까 인간에게 있는 모든 재앙 저주를 오직 그리스도가
If
해결해요.
you look at Mark chapter 10, verse 45, it says, in all curses, the Christ has resolved.
요한복음 14장 6절에 보니까 하나님 떠나가지고요 영적 고아처럼 거지처럼 어디가 길인지 모르고 헤매고 있는 자에게 하나님 만나는 길을 열어주셨어요.
So if you look at John chapter 14, verse 6, you see there are people wandering around, pondering, without knowing how to meet God, without knowing the way to meet God. And that way was suggested to them like this.
요한일서 3장 8절에 보니까요 영적 세계 배후에 역사하고 있는 사단 권세를
If you
완전히
look at 1
멸하고
John chapter
있어요.
3, verse 8, you see that in the forge of darkness, behind of our background, you see the forge of darkness are working. And this is the explanation that's written in that book.
그래서 여러분이 뭡니까? 이 그리스도를 가진 비밀을 누리는 기도의 비밀을
So
가지라.
then you must have the mystery of prayer to enjoy the mystery of Christ within all these.
그리고 이 그리스도의 비밀을 전하는 전도의 비밀 속으로 방향을 잡아라. 이
And you
말이에요.
need to set your direction towards the mystery of evangelism to preach about the mystery of Christ.
그래서 오늘의 말씀, 기도, 전도 이걸 사모.
That's why you have to yearn for today's word, prayer, evangelism.
그러니까 어디로 가야 되느냐?
So then where must you head towards?
당장 공부 1등을 할 수는 없잖아요.
So immediately you can't become the top of the
여러분
class.
당장 뭘 1등 할 수는
If you're
없잖아요.
not, that you can't immediately become the top of everything else.
근데 기도는 1등 할 수 있다.
But you can become a top of prayer.
그래 기도 서밋으로.
You can become the first person in prayer. So enter into prayer.
근데 어느 날 사건이 벌어지는 거예요.
But one day, an event will arise.
어느 날 갑자기 골리앗이 나타나 버렸어요.
All of a sudden, out of nowhere, Goliath appeared.
근데 그거 형들도 해결을 못 하는 거야.
But his brothers were not able to resolve that issue either.
왕도 해결을 못 하는
And
거야.
the king was not able to handle it.
장군도 해결 못
And
하는
the
거야.
generals were not able to
근데
handle it.
다윗이 골리앗 만날 거라고 준비한 게 아니라
But it's not that David prepared himself to meet with Goliath.
장군 되려고 준비한 게
He didn't prepare
아니라니까.
himself to become a general one day.
그냥 양 지키려고 돌멩이 던졌다니까.
So he was throwing the rock, he was using the slingshot just to tend his flock.
그런데 돌멩이 던지는 기술 가지고 칼 가지고 잡아야 될 골리앗을 박살내버려.
But with the skill of throwing the stone or slingshot, he defeated Goliath, who had to be defeated with sword.
아니 전쟁에서 칼을 잘 써야지.
So in the warfare, you need to know how to use sword.
아니 요즘 말로 하자면 세상에 나가려면 뭘 잘해야지.
So in today's term, when you go out to the world, you need to be very well skilled in many different ways.
여러분이요 아무리 장군이 되려고 준비해도 골리앗 같은 놈이 나타나니까 이게 속수무책이야.
And so no matter how much you make a preparation to become a general one day, let's say if you face with a Goliath, you can't do anything about that
힘들고 어렵겠지.
because things will be difficult and
내가 보면
hard.
잘하는 사람이 더 많으니까.
Because there are many people who are better than you.
근데 다윗은
But David,
그거 하려고 한 게 아니라니까.
he didn't train himself to do
그냥
that.
말씀, 기도, 전도 속에 들어가 이 그리스도를 누리고
So
있었다니까.
all he did is he entered into the word, prayer, and evangelism, and he just enjoyed Christ in there.
그러면서 자기 현장의 기도 속에서 누렸다.
And from there, he just enjoyed his field within prayer.
근데 자기에게 주어진 일이 양 지키는 거예요.
And so the task that's entrusted to him was tending flock
그래가지고 돌멩이 쥐고 집어 던지고
or shepherding.
이랬다니까.
So all he did is he would pick up the stone and slingshot.
처음에는 공과 사자가 오니까 오지 말라고 던졌겠지.
So at first, I'm sure he was throwing the stone at the bears or lions so they could not harm the flock,
나중에는 자꾸 하다 보니까 막 탁 던지니까
the sheep.
맞았겠지.
So I'm sure later he got better at aiming things, that he was able to throw things better to target.
계속 하다 보면 눈 감고 던지도 딱 하는 거야.
And because he was throwing the stone so much, I'm sure he was able to close his eyes and still shoot that bear and lion.
그거 가지고 골리앗 꺾었습니다.
But with that, he was able to defeat Goliath.
그걸 보고 기능 서밋.
That is what it means to reach the skill summit.
기능을 경쟁했다는 말이 아니고 내 할 거 열심히 하고 있는데 그것과 회사
It's
살렸다.
not that he competed with his skill with anybody else, but rather all he did was just tending the flock. And one day, with the skill that he only had, he was able to defeat.
그러니까요 현장 살리잖아요.
So he was able to save the field.
이 목동대 돌 던지는 기술 가지고요 나라 살렸잖아요.
So in the
현장
time of
살렸잖아요.
shepherding, he would have the skill to throw rocks or stones, and with that, he saved that field.
그러니까 뭐 다윗이 왕으로 그냥 완전히
So
돼버려.
then all of a sudden, David just changed his status into that of king.
그러니까 시대 살릴 수 있잖아요.
So he was able to save the age then.
이게 축복입니다.
That is his blessing.
지금 계속 어제 한 거 반복하고.
So I'm just repeating what I told you yesterday.
여러분은 뭐 해야 되느냐?
So then what must you do today?
여러분의 기능이 하나님의 손에 잡혀야 된다고.
So your skill must be grasped by God.
하나님이 쓰시는 기능이 돼요.
So that skill must be that God uses.
던졌는데 여러분 착각하면 돼요. 다윗이 잘 던진 게 아니에요.
So he just threw that stone. It's not that you need to understand this well, because David, he didn't just throw.
하나님이 역사한 거예요.
God worked.
던졌는데 돌멩이가 하필이면 요 딱 갈 게 뭐예요? 골리앗.
And so think about that. He just threw that stone, but that stone happened to hit the forehead of Goliath.
글쎄 하나님이 다윗의 손을 딱 잡았던 것 같아요.
But I do think that God held on to David's hand.
아니면 다른 게 있어요.
If not, there's something else.
골리앗이 미쳤는지 딱 맞는 대로 딱
It may have
섰어.
been that Goliath went insane and he just stood in the place where that stone was hitting him.
천국에 가서 확인을 해봐야 돼요.
I have to confirm that upon
하나님
heaven, I
다윗의
think.
손을 잘 잡으신 건지
I'll
그냥
have to ask
골리앗을
God.
돌게 만들어
God, did you hold on to David's hand well, or is it that Goliath went insane and he just got shot?
기능 서밋.
But that's the skill summit.
되는 데는 방법이 없는 거예요.
So when things work out, there's nothing
근데
you can
우리
do.
가정, 내 직장, 교회 다 살려버리는 거예요.
So that's why he was able to save his job, his place, and his family.
시대 서밋 되는 거예요.
So he became the summit of his
이게
age.
요새, 모세, 엘리야, 엘리사, 렘넌트 7명이 전부 이 과정이었습니다.
So all seven remnants entered into and went through this process, including Joseph, Moses, and Elijah, Elisha.
이거부터 했다.
This is what they did first, prayer summit.
복음 누리는 기도 서밋.
And enter into the prayer summit of enjoying the gospel.
여러분이 이 축복 누려야 됩니다.
May you be able to enjoy this
그래서
blessing.
앞으로 재앙 맞는 현장 살려야 됩니다.
So starting now, you have to save the age that's faced with
앞으로
disasters.
일어날 재앙 막아야 됩니다.
You have to block the impending disasters.
그럼 잘 알아야 돼요.
You need to know.
수정이
Crystal,
잘 알아야 돼요.
you need to know.
이반젤리를 금이야 오기 아무리 잘 키워도 안 돼, 수정아.
So no matter how much you tend and care for evangelically, it's not going to work.
복음으로 안 키우면 안 된다.
Because you have to raise her with the
그
gospel.
네가 복음의 뿌리를 팍 받고 있어야 나중에 이반젤리가 위기를 이길 수
You
있다.
have to be immersed into the gospel. Only then your evangelium will survive other crises.
얼마나 귀엽냐 이반젤리.
So how cute is she?
그런데 내 이제 니만 안 해줄 지게 이반젤리가 이제 뭐 세상 재앙이 들이닥치면 어떻게 할 거냐?
So when evangeline becomes a grown lady like you right now, and disaster flows in the age, then what will she do?
그 어릴 때부터 복음 각인 뿌리, 복음 체지만.
So ever since she was young, she needs to enter into that gospel that can change the imprint, root, and nature.
그러면 네가 복음 속으로 들어가야 돼.
Then, in order to do that, you have to enter into the
복음 속으로
gospel.
들어가려니까 안 되는 게 너무 많은 거야.
And when you are trying to enter into the gospel, things that's blocking you, hindering you, will happen.
배경도 없어 보이고,
It may seem like you don't have any
아무 힘도
background.
없는 것
It may
같고.
seem like you don't have any power.
뭐 가정이 어렵기도
It may
하고.
seem like your family is facing
여러 가지
difficulties.
형편이 어렵기도
And I'm
하고.
sure many things may be difficult.
그러니까 나는 남이 가는 수정이 좀 머리 좋잖아 공부도.
But I know that Crystal, you are very brilliant and smart.
근데 이제 남들보다 늦게 가는 것처럼 보이고.
But it may seem like you are just walking your life, you're living your life a little bit delayed.
그 말은 안 하지만은 포기하고 싶고.
And unwittingly, you want to maybe give up.
뭐 하자니 또 안 될 것 같고.
And you can't really give up because you
그럼
can't
상처밖에
do
안
anything like that. But
남는다니까.
the scars will just remain.
그런데 하나님이 너를 택했다니까.
But God has chosen you.
보험서 들어가면 돼.
You just have to enter into the gospel.
당장 안 돼도 응답하고 상관없어요.
It's okay even though that may not
하나님이
happen
역사하시고.
right away, but because God will work upon you, absolutely.
그러니까 딸 이름도 전도자로 불러.
That's why I'm sure you named
Evangeline.
your daughter Evangeline.
크리스탈.
So Crystal. Crystal.
이름은 잘 짓는다 보니까 하여튼.
Seems like you have a very good name. You're able to produce lots of good names.
그래서 하나님이 뭡니까? 1000명을 지속해야 됩니다.
So you have to continue in God's heavenly mandate.
여러분이 이 속으로 들어가면 뭐가 발견되냐? 하나님이 나에게 말씀하십니다.
What can you discover when you enter into this? You will hear the voice of God spoken to you.
하나님의 말씀 속에서 제일 먼저 여러분이 어디로 되냐? 하나님이 주신 달란트를 발견.
Within the Word of God, what should you do? You have to find the talent that God has given you.
오늘의 말씀 기도 전도 속에서 복음 누리는 영적 선미 속으로 들어가면은 여러분에게 있는 잠재력이 발견돼요.
So if you, in the midst of today's word, prayer, and evangelism, if you enter into the spiritual summit of enjoying the gospel, then God will reveal to you that skill or talent.
여러분 전부 천재야.
But all of you are genius here.
어떤 사람은 공부 잘하는 천재.
Someone are genius in studying.
어떤 사람은 운동 잘하는
Someone's
천재.
exercising well.
어떤 사람은 사람을 피스메이커로 만드는 천재.
Someone's genius at making peacemaker.
그러니까요, 나는 공부머리가 없고 다른 사람을 피스메이커 만드는 천재인데 그거는 안 하고 자꾸 공부하려면 그걸 보고 바보라는 거야.
So let's say you are very good and you have the genius in making peace and peacemaker, but you want to study well, following other people's genius of studying well, then that means you are completely foolish.
여러분 렘넌트 보니까 요즘 게임을 많이 하더라고요.
And I see nowadays remnants play games a lot.
그 게임요 하려면은 어디로 들어가야 되느냐? 10% 속으로 들어가.
If you want to play games, you have to enter into top 10%
1% 속으로 들어가.
and enter into the top 1%.
그 정도로 해버리라니까.
So do it to that extent.
근데 해버리라가 아니고 내게 그런 천재성이
But
있느냐?
don't just do it, but realize if you have that genius in you.
최민석 쳐다봐 목사님.
Daniel Troy.
그럼 뭐 해야 되느냐? 넌
What must you do?
다니엘이야.
You are Daniel.
최다니엘.
You are Daniel Troy.
최고 다니엘. 그럼 뭐 해야 되냐? 나는 아무래도 게임이 내가 이거다. 그러면요, 그게 진짜로 지금 다 때리치고
You're the best Daniel of all. If you have to play a game, then you have to look at this and think, do I have the genius to enter the top 10 or top 1% with a game? If you do have that, take care of everything else. Don't do anything else and just game.
1%할 수
Just
있어.
play game. That's enter into the top 1%.
왜 태경이 흥분해
So
지금?
now, Taegya, you're so excited all of a sudden.
게임에 천재성이 있는 것 같아.
Do you think you have the genius to play game?
내가 지금 뭘 이야기했냐?
What am I trying to tell you?
진짜 쉬운 거라니까.
It's so easy.
하나님이 나에게 이런 재능이 있구나.
So God has given me this kind of talent.
말 잘하는 재주가 있기도
But
하고.
I'm eloquent.
아니 이 저 정복이 보니까요. 야, 저게 뭐 한국에서 왔는데 보니까요 말도 못하는 건지 안 하는 건지 저 영적 문제 심각한 거야. 말은
So
안 했지만.
when little Joshua first came to America, he didn't speak very well. So I was thinking, does he not know how to speak, or is he just not speaking? And later, I really was thinking that he has spiritual problems.
저걸 어떻게 도와줘야
But I
돼?
was thinking, how should I help him?
저 민서보다 더한 거야.
So he was
보니까.
worse than Daniel.
민서가 와가 게임에 중독이 돼가지고 사는데 쟤는 따따블로
So
중독이
when
돼.
Daniel first came to America, I knew he was addicted to game. But when I saw little Joshua, he was double portion. He was more addicted.
근데 지금 천재성이 나왔어요.
But I know he's genius in something
우리
else.
교회에서요 말 제일 잘합니다.
He's so good at speaking in our church. He's a perfect elocutionist.
그런데 쓸데없는 말을 하는 게 아니에요.
It's not that he doesn't speak, he speaks rashly.
우리 정보이가 목사님한테 말하면요 감동이 와요.
So when Joshua speaks to me, I get moved and touched.
저는 농담으로 이야기하는데 뭔가가 진실된 게
Sometimes he
있다니까.
jokes around, but I see the sincerity in things.
저 아버지보다 100배 낫다.
So I think he's 100 times better than his father.
그러니까 이게 찾아진다.
But anyway, you'll be able to discover this.
그거 가지고 세상 살리라.
With that, save the world.
그게 발견되어집니다.
You must discover that.
쉽게 말하면은 여러분이 경쟁하는 게 아니고 하나님이 여러분에게 이걸 예비해
Simply
놓으셨다.
put, you're not competing, but God has prepared this for you.
이게 발견되어지는.
You need to discover this.
두 번째는 뭡니까?
Number two,
제일 중요한 겁니다.
it's most important.
하나님이요 렘넌트를 할 적에 여러분에게 숨겨놓은 감추놓은 뭡니까? 계약이 있다는.
When God has called you as remnants, there's something hidden, there's something concealed. God has prepared something for you.
이걸 보고 이면 계약이다.
That is the double-sided contract.
하나님 왜 여러분에게 달란트 천재성을 줬냐?
So why did God give you this talent and genius?
너는 그것 가지고 세상 살고.
So you could save the world with that.
목사님은 어릴 때 변호사 될 거라고 했어요.
And so when I was young, I said I swore that I'm going to be a lawyer.
제 말이 아니고 사람들이 그랬어요.
It's not that I swore, but other people swore that I'm going to be a
안
lawyer.
그러면 연설가 될 거라고.
Or I will be an elocutionist.
그 사람들이 이야기했던.
So other people told me
그래서
that.
내 소원은 선생님 되는 거였어요.
But my desire was to become a teacher
그게 내 천재성이었어요.
because that was my genius.
일단 제가 초등학교 다닐 적에 선생님이 나와서 앞에 이야기해라 이랍니다.
So at first, when I was in elementary school, my teacher would always call me to give presentation.
나는 그 시간이 제일 좋아요.
That was the most joyful time for me.
앞에 나와서 동화 발표해라 이런 거.
So my teacher will summon me to the podium to read some book.
예의상 두 번째 나갑니다.
So out of courtesy, I will become the second turn.
그럼 제가 나갔다. 제 설교가 길잖아.
So you see that I speak very long for sermon.
그 시간 끝날 때까지 내가 다 알아서 해.
And so when I was in elementary school, I would just finish the entire period by giving that presentation.
그 다음날 또 나왔다.
And the next day, if I come back again,
내가 나가는 게 아니고 전부 주영교 나가라.
so it's not that I will step up, but other people will always volunteer for me.
얼마나 재미나게 이야기해.
And so I was so good at speaking.
목사님 중학교 다닐 때 텔레비전 프로 제일 좋은 게 600만 불의 사나이.
And so when I was in school, the best TV show back then was a $6 million worth man.
두 번째 제이미 소머즈.
So secondly, it was Jamie Sommers.
밤새도록 그 두 프로만
So
보는 거.
I just watched those two TV shows all night long.
시험 친다니까 지금 일제고사.
But I would even watch the TV show even night before having an exam.
그래서 내 애들 불러요.
And I would call all my colleagues or friends,
시험
classmates.
칠 적에 편안해야지 점수가 잘 나온다.
And I always tell my classmates, when you take an exam, you just have to be at home to
어제
take an
봤던
exam.
거 싹 다 가르쳐 줍니다.
And I will tell them what I watched the night before.
그게요 제 천명이야.
That was my heavenly mandate in some sort.
그래서 내가 목사 됐잖아요.
So that's how I became a pastor.
그래서 저는 뭐 일단 아무 원고나 보고 갖다 붙이면 말이 다
So
돼.
anyway, if you just give me a random script, I can just make it into a sermon.
저는 뭐 가다 쪼가리 있다 그냥 주스가 놔놓고 그냥 설교하면 다 돼.
So I can just walk down the street if I happen to see a paper written with some written words that I can just pick it up and make it into a sermon.
뭐든지 말되게 할 수 있어.
And I can make everything make sense.
그건 내가 하는 게 아니고 되더라고.
I don't do it that way. It just happened that way.
물론 사모님은 상처가 좀
But of
되지만
course, my wife has scars about that
하도 말을 잘한다고.
because I speak so well. I guess.
당신하고 말해가 이길 수가.
And my wife always told me, I can't win against you with
그게 자기
when I have an
본인의
argument with you.
상처예요.
I'm sure that's her scar.
그래서 내가 목사 된 거예요. 말로
So
가지고.
I became a
사람
pastor
가지고.
because I have to speak a lot.
그럼 그걸 아셔야 됩니다.
Please know this.
그러면 세 번째 뭐가 보이느냐?
Then number three, what will you see?
하나님이 나에게 이런 천재성을 주고 이거 가지고 가문 살리고 세상 살리라는
Also,
말이에요.
God has given me His genius, and with this contract, the concealed contract, I have to save my family, my field, and the world.
그거 가지고 밥 먹는 훈련까지다.
But I have to train myself to feed myself with this as well.
그러면 앞으로 할 일이 뭐냐?
In doing so, what is it that you have to do in the future?
가르쳐 줍니다. 하나님이 깨닫게 하십니다.
And God will teach you and make you realize.
앞으로 할 일이 뭡니까?
What is it that you have to do in the future?
한마디로 말하면은 미래 살려야 된다.
What is it that you will have to do? In one word, you have to save the world.
재앙 시대를 여러분이
But
막아야
save the
된다.
future because you have to block the disaster in the future.
말 잘하는 것
If you
가지고
are good at speaking, with that.
스포츠 잘하면 스포츠
If
잘하는
you
것
are
가지고
very good sportsman, with that.
우리 사만타는 어린데도 비즈니스 하는 거 보니까 그 비즈니스 가지고 세상을
And Samantha,
살려야
I think that she's young in her age and she's still doing her business, and I do think she's really well. She's
남이
doing it really well.
알아주든지 안 알아주든지 그러지 말고요. 페옥스몰에 딱 갈지게 나는 여기에서 제일 1등 가는 비즈니스맨.
And so don't care about what other people think about you or what other people say about that business. But when you enter the Fair Oaks Mall, just think to yourself that I will save this entire mall with the gospel.
사만타 힘으로 1등 가는 비즈니스맨 하려면은 페옥스몰 안에도 사만타보다 더 잘하는 사람
But if you
많지.
were to build the number one business in the Fair Oaks Mall with your own power, you can't do that because other people may be better than you.
근데 하나님 축복하시면은
But if God blesses you,
내보다 잘해도 아무 소용이 없어요.
then it really doesn't matter no matter how better other people may be. It really doesn't matter if God works with you.
그러면은 하나님이 소명이 있다.
So then you will see God's calling.
하나님이 나를 부르셨구나.
God has called me.
쉽게 말하면은 하나님이 왜 나를
Simple,
부르셨냐?
but why did God call me?
미래에 일어날 재앙 막으라고.
Because you have to block the impending disaster.
그래서 유모 목사님이 최근에 쓴 단어가 참 단어는 끝내주게 잘 만드셔요. 시너지 전도에.
So then Pastor Yu uses all these good terminologies, and lately he's been using this term called synergy evangelism.
아니 시너지 전도가 뭔가 싶어 나도
But
헷갈리더라고요.
I'm wondering what actually that means, a synergy evangelism.
단어는 이해되는데
I understand the term,
이걸 다른 말로 하면요. 도미노 형.
but in other word, this is the same thing as domino effect. Or
무슨
domino
이야기냐?
phenomenon.
요셉 한 명이 살아버렸는데 형제들이 다 살고 가문이 살고 나라가 살고
It's the
짝다 살고.
spiritual domino phenomenon. What it means is that Joseph, he's the only one who survived or who revived, but through Joseph, all his family, all his brothers were revived.
다윗 한 명 때문에 싹 다 살아버렸어요.
Because of one person, David, entire nation survived.
복음 영적 서밋 여러분 한 명 일어났는데 여러분 가문 살고 나라 살고 시대 살고 교회 살고.
Gospel Spiritual Summit. You are the only one who arrives, but your family line, the entire world will be revived because of you.
입을 넓게 여세요.
Open wide your mouth.
나는 록펠러를 능가하는 재벌이 되게.
I will become wealthy enough to overcome the level of Rockefeller.
이제 내가 돈 버리는 재능이 있다고 싶은 사람들이야.
And so people who who have the talent to earn money.
주원이
Sam,
너 돈 잘 버릴 수 있어?
do you think you can make a lot of money?
그 어릴 때 딱 보면 안다니까.
Now, I can tell by just looking at you when you're young.
누구끼리 돈 놀이 할 적에 누가 잘 버리는지 잘 봐야 돼.
And so when you play with some sort of money, look carefully who's making a lot of money.
근데 여러분 또래 때 돈을 못 버린다 그러면 돈 말고 딴 거로 가셔야
So
되네.
in your age, if you're not able to make a lot of money, then don't try to make a lot of money. Just do
나에게
something
나는
else.
돈을 가지고 세상 살리는구나.
But let's say you want to save the world with money.
그럼 내가 내는 11조 가지고 교회 살고 선교사 살고 다 살 수 있게
Then
하자.
with the tithe that you offer, that church and the missionaries must be revived.
두 번째 뭐 해야 됩니까?
And then secondly,
문화를 살려야 됩니다.
you have to save the culture,
문화 전도.
the cultural evangelism.
나 한 사람 때문에 교회 현장 가문 시대 싹 다 살리는 시너지 전도에 도전해라.
So challenge in synergy evangelism to save your family line, entire world, and entire thing surrounding you.
두 번째 흑암 문화를 복음 문화로 바꿔요.
And secondly, change the culture of darkness into that of the gospel.
그래서 3기업을 해야 돼.
So then you have to raise 3
어떤 문화예요?
entrepreneurships.
선교적 기업.
Mission entrepreneurship.
선교 현장의 문화를 바꿔야 돼요.
You have to change the culture in the missions field.
문화적 기업.
And cultural
사회적
entrepreneurship and social entrepreneurship.
여러분 이거 해야 된다 이 말이에요.
You need to do that.
이거 안 하면요 재앙이 계속 올 수밖에
If you
없습니다.
don't, disasters will continue to plow in.
세 번째,
Number 3.
앞으로 말세의 재앙 시대인데 영적 문제, 정신 문제 계속 온다 하잖아요.
In the end age, there will be disasters and mental problems and spiritual disorders will continue to arise.
우울증, 자살 시대 온다고 하죠.
And the depression, suicide, age of suicide will come as well.
그래서 치유 전도해야 돼요.
That's why you have to evangelize with healing. So healing
복음
evangelism.
각인시키면 됩니다.
You have to imprint the gospel.
마지막 세 번째.
Then lastly, number 3.
그러면 어떻게 할 거냐?
Then what must you do?
사명 나옵니다.
How are you going to do this? You have to discover your
뭐
commission.
해야 되냐?
What must you do?
여러분이 진실을 봐야 됩니다.
You have to see the truth.
사실은 눈에 보이는 거예요.
You will see the fact. It's visible.
진실을 봐야 됩니다.
But you have to see the truth.
그리고 사실도 눈에 보이는 게 아니고 영적
So
사실을 봐야 돼요.
fact is visible, but you have to see the truth. But when you see the fact, when you perceive the fact, you have to perceive the spiritual fact.
그러려면 뭐 해야 되느냐? 9가지를 잘해야
To do that,
돼요.
what must you do? You need to do 9 things well.
높이, 넓이, 길이.
You have to see the height, width, and depth, or length.
여러분 렘넌트 보고 이렇게 봐라 소리는 안 할게요.
So I'm not going to force you to broaden your vision like this.
어차피 여러분이 단어는 아는데 안 되잖아.
But already you know the term, but it just doesn't take place.
근데 이거는 알고 있어야 돼요.
But you have to know.
어떤 물체에는 반드시 높이가 있다니까.
So in an object, you see there's a height,
넓이가 있다니까.
and there's a width,
길이가
and
있다니까.
there's a length.
내가 생각하는 거하고 다르다니까.
So it's something different than what you think.
내 기준으로 보려고 하지 말아요.
Don't try to perceive things with your own standards.
내가 못 보는 내 키 위에 있는 높이도 있다는 걸.
So you also need to know there's something higher than your own height.
내가 본 것보다 더 넓은 넓이가 있다.
You must also see that there is a width that you could not
내가
perceive.
생각했던 것보다 훨씬 더 긴 게 있다.
You also need to know there's something longer than what you thought.
이거를요 늘 생각하면서 봐요.
So you always have to think about this and
이거 안
move.
하면요 맨날 오해합니다.
If you don't do this, you will always
저 사람 왜
misunderstand.
저럴까?
Why is this person like that?
그럼 맨날 시험 듭니다.
Then you will always fall to trials.
두 번째는요
Number 2,
위에 아래 옆
and you also need to see above, below, and beside.
위에 아래 옆.
So you have to see above, below, and beside.
그럼 위도 봐야 되고 아래도 봐야 옆에도
You
봐야
have to
돼.
see what's above you, what's below you, and what's beside you.
세 번째
Number 3,
과거, 현재, 미래.
you have to see the past, present, future.
이래 설교하는데 저도 안 보여요.
So I give you a sermon like this, but I can't see this.
근데 왜 이야기를 하느냐?
But why am I talking about it?
있다는 걸 알아라.
You need to know the mere existence of it.
현재만 있는 게 아니고 현재에 영향을 준 오래된 과거 있다니까요.
You can't just see the present. You have to see the past that developed the present.
과거 현재 해결 안 되면은 미래가 이상해진다니까요.
And if you don't resolve the issues in the past and present, the future will be distorted.
지금 아무리 잘 나가도 복음 없으면 미래는
No
이상하게
matter how well
된다니까요.
off you may be right now, if you don't have the gospel, the future will be distorted.
제가 왜 나도 안 된다 이런 표현을 했냐?
But why did I express you this way? That I can't do this either.
여러분에게 부담 주기 싫은 거예요.
Because I don't want to burden you.
강박관념으로 신고
Because
싶어요.
I don't want to give you the
근데
stereotype.
알고는 있으라니.
Then you need to know the very
근데
existence of
사람들은요
it.
그냥 내가 전부 다야.
But other people say, I'm the only one that exists.
옆도 없고 위도 없고 아래도 없고.
I'm everything. I don't think about the above, below, and beside.
내가 하는 게 전부 다야.
What I do is everything.
그러면 안 된다.
You can't do that.
어제 저기 싱크대에 저 뭡니까 라면을 먹어가지고 막아놨다 하더라고.
And so yesterday I saw someone actually ate ramen noodle and clogged up the sink.
근데 억울하게 지금 누가 지목이 됐냐? 정복이가 지목이 됐다니까.
But I don't know if this is right, but Joshua is speculated to be the suspect.
그 옆에 있는 민호까지 이제 따블로
And Mino is
들어갔다니까.
also suspected.
그런데 천만다행으로 두 사람이 진짜 범인이었으면 다행인데 아니면 어떻게 할 거냐?
So, fortunately, if they were the actual culprit, that'll be fine. But what happens if they're not the culprit?
제가 왜 이 말했냐? 제가 그럴 때 참 많다.
So why am I telling you this? Because a lot of times I make misjudgments.
틀림없이 한국에서 렘넌트 와가지고 우리 그 목욕탕 다 빠놨을 거야.
Undoubtedly, downstairs, I'm sure our remnants from Korea, you have just completely ruined our restroom.
네가 빠지.
Did you break it?
이렇게 말을 하려고 하다가 입을 딱 닫았는데 나중에 보니까 요셉이 엎은 거예요.
And so I wanted to say that to him, but I just shut my mouth. But later I realized it was actually Joseph who did that.
예를 들면은 이럴 경우
For
참
example, that's the case.
많다니까.
There are many cases like that.
근데 내가 그때 얘 보고 이야기하였으면 얘가 얼마나
But
상처가
let's say
되겠냐고.
that day I told him, "Did you do it?" Then I'm sure he would have received scars.
함부로 말하는 게 아니라.
So you should not speak rashly.
그래서 기도해봐야 돼.
So then you have to pray.
그 설령 얘가 했다 치자.
So let's say he did do it.
그거 되면 네가 했지.
It
이러면
was
얘가
a
어떻게 돼?
culprit.
안 그래도 저희가 잘못해가지고 이게 지금 들킬까 두려운 것도 있고 막 이런 게 있는데 찔러버리면.
So as a culprit himself, he will be, he will have all these panics and everything. But if we were to just pinpoint him and say, "You did that," then I'm sure he will be scarred as well because of that too.
기도해라는 거예요.
So that's why you have to pray.
그러다면요 얘가 말할 때도 있고요.
Then one day, sometime, the criminal will turn him in. The culprit will turn him in.
그리고 하다 보면 이거 굳이 말 안 해도 되는 기구나.
Or sometimes you don't even have to speak of it because sometimes it will be resolved naturally.
그래야 여러분 삶에 있습니다.
So you need to see all throughout.
9가지 잘 봐야 돼.
So look at all 9 aspects around you.
그 다음에 뭐 해야 됩니까?
Then what must you do?
재해석해야 됩니다.
You have to reinterpret.
복음으로 재해석해야 돼.
You have to reinterpret with the gospel.
모든 문제 사건을 복음으로 다시 해석할 수
All
있어요.
problems and incidents, you must be able to reinterpret with the gospel.
리스트럭처 할 수 있어요.
Or you also have to be restructure.
상담 심리학에서는 이 단어가 굉장히
So
중요해요.
this word restructuring is very important in mental counseling.
그게 상담 심리학의 요셉의 스토리가 나옵니다.
So because in counseling or counsel psychology, it talks about Joseph's story.
요셉이 형들에게 팔리고 억울하게 된 거를 다시
So
리오르가나이제이션
they
했다.
also reorganized the story of Joseph when he was sold by his brothers.
자기가 구조를 새로 바꿔버렸다니까.
So what they did is they restructured everything. They just changed the structure.
축복의 흐름으로 바꿔버렸다니까.
So he restructured into the structure of blessing.
응답의 흐름으로
He
바꿔버렸다니까.
just changed the flow of answer to the flow of answer.
엄마 아버지가 돌아가셨다.
So mom and dad passed away.
절망이다.
It's a despair.
대학 어떻게 가지?
How am I going to
누가
college?
나를 도와주지?
Who will help me?
그게 목사님이 복음 못 깨달았을 때의 생각이었어요.
That was my thought when I did not realize the gospel.
어느 날 복음 깨달았어요.
But one day I realized the gospel.
왜 하나님이 엄마 아버지 일찍
But I
돌아가셨어요?
wonder, why did God allow my mom and dad pass away early?
첫째,
First of all,
그래서 하나님 만나게 되고.
so I could meet God.
두 번째,
Secondly,
그래서 나는 독립하는 힘이 생겼어요.
so I could be independent.
그러니까 상처가 되는 게 아니고 감사가 되는
So
거예요.
then it was no longer a scar. It was the
Okay.
topic of Thanksgiving.
그렇다면 나는 옛날에는 엄마 아버지가 없기 때문에 고하구나 이렇게 생각하는데 그게 아니고 완전히
All
누려버리잖아요.
right then. Previously, I thought that I'm an orphan because I didn't have my parents. But later, I realized that, it's not that it.
그걸 재해석이라고
So
합니다.
I reinterpreted myself.
마지막으로
That's
뭡니까?
reinterpretation.
그러면 세 번째 뭡니까?
So then lastly, number 3,
도전하세요.
you have to challenge.
어디에?
Where?
재창조의 역사를 만듭니다.
To experience the work of recreation.
쉽게 말해 새로운 역사를
Simply
써간다.
put, to write a new creation.
그래서 여러분 이제는 결론적으로 뭡니까?
So then conclusion, what is it?
여러분의 눈을 어디다 줘야 됩니까?
Where should you put your eyes?
오래된 문제
Upon all old problems.
복음으로 바꾸세요.
Change that into the gospel.
여러분이 현장에 들어가지고요 회사에 오래된 문제
In the
있다니까.
fields, when you go to a job, there will be old problems.
가정에 오래된 문제
In your
있다니까.
life, in your family,
어디
there will be
가면
old
거기에 오래된
problems.
문제가
Wherever you
있다니까.
go, there will be old problems.
고질적인 문제
There will
있다니까.
be incorrigible
그거
problems.
바꿔버리면요 여러분 그냥 다윗
So
되어버리는 거예요.
chronic problems. But if you just change that, you will become people like David.
그리고 가장 시급한 게 뭐냐?
And there's something much more urgent.
그리고 가장 중요한 게
There's something much more important.
하나님이 가장 필요로 하는 게 뭐냐?
There's something that God needs the most.
거기에 도전하세요.
You need to challenge that.
그래서 여러분의 눈을 결론적으로 하면 여러분의 눈을 항상 어디다 집중해야 되느냐?
So conclusively, where should you fix your eyes upon?
말씀 따라가면 돼요.
You just have to follow the word.
이 회사의 오래된 문제가 뭐냐?
So what is the chronic problem of this job?
내가 거래처 사람을 만났다. 이 사람에게 도와줘야 될 오래된 문제가
Now,
뭐냐?
I have to deal with a client. Then what is the chronic problem to this person?
오랫동안 해결 안 됐던 문제.
So what is the chronic problem that this person could not resolve?
두 번째는 이 사람에게 진짜 절실하게 시급하게
So
필요한
then
게 뭐냐?
secondly, what is most urgent and emergent for this person?
가장 중요한 게 뭐냐?
What is the most important for this person?
하나님이 이 사람에게 절대적으로 원하는
So
게 뭐냐?
what does God absolutely want from this person?
두 번째 뭐 해야 됩니까?
Secondly,
중직자
lay leaders.
훈련입니다.
Train yourself to become a lay
여러분은
leader.
예비 중직자예요.
You are the preparatory lay leader.
교회 살려야 돼요.
You need to save the church.
우리 워싱턴 초대교회 여러분에게 소망이
Our Washington Church has hope in you.
앞으로 세계교회는 여러분 손에 달려 있다.
And the churches of the world is depending on you.
여러분 교회 살려야 됩니다.
You have to save the church.
목사님은 청년 사역 전문가입니다.
I'm an expert in young adult ministry.
목사님이 청년 사역하는 이유 중에 1번이 이겁니다.
One of the reasons I do young adult ministry, the number one reason is this.
우리 교회는 안 그랬는데 소문에 듣자니까 어느 여청년이 목사님 청년회 왔다면 그래요.
So my church was not like that. But this is what happened when a young lady came to my church.
이름을 말하기는 좀 곤란하고
I can't name drop anything,
고모시라고 있어.
but it's Miss Ko.
그 중간에 이름이 내 이름하고 비슷해. 영자가 있어요.
So Miss Ko, and she also has the same name as me.
끝자가
Yeah.
아름다울 그 한문이 있어요.
Anyway, her name is
다
something
가르쳐주네.
else. I can't directly name drop, but
장로님
euphemistically.
딸이에요.
But she's an elder's daughter.
장로님 딸이 우리 청년회 온 거예요.
Her dad is an elder, and that daughter came to my church.
자기 아버지는 다른 교회 장로님.
And that elder was actually an elder of some other church.
이 사람이 성경 공부를 하면서 막
But
우는
that
거야.
daughter, the daughter of that elder of other church came to my church, and she was crying while doing the Bible study.
자연스럽게 이야기를 하고.
And naturally, she just spoke.
그런데 자매님, 아버님이 장로님이라 하는데 왜 그 교회 안 다니까?
And I asked that sister, you know, I heard that your dad is an elder, but why don't you go to your father's church? Why did you come to my church?
그냥만 눈물을 펑펑.
And she all of a sudden just cried out in tears.
어느 교회 알죠?
And she said, you know this church.
압니다.
And I said, I know that church.
그 교회 난리 났대요. 싸우고 찢고 벗고.
And that she said, you know, in that church, people are quarreling and fighting, and things are uproar.
우리 아버님이 그 교회 수석자입니다.
And my dad is the top-notch elder of that church.
그 싸움의 주동자 우리 아버지.
And that the fight was broke out, and my father is a pioneer of that fight,
그래서 나는
the starter of that fight.
아무리 생각해도 그 교회는 다니면 안
And no
되겠다
matter
옮겼다.
how many times I think about this, I realize that I shouldn't go to that church.
그날 내가 결심했어요.
And that day, I made a
왜 청년
resolution.
사역을 해야 돼?
Why should I do young adult ministry?
어른들 이미 물 들어간까지 힘들겠다.
Oh, the adults, they're already stained. They can't
교회에서
remove that
끝발
stain.
지어보는 훈련 해본 사람, 맛반 사람은
So all the adults, they train themselves to boast about themselves, to namesake themselves. Later, that remained as a stain.
청년들 가지고 각인 뿌리 체질.
So with young adults, I have to change the imprint, root, and nature.
그래야 되는 겁니다.
That's what must I do.
그 여러분이 앞으로 교회와가 시험 들면 안 돼.
So in the church, don't fall into trial.
교회 살려야 돼.
You have to save the church in
이거 안
turn.
돼. 목사님이 이상해요. 누가 이상해요. 맨날 이 소리 안
But
돼.
if you don't do this, and you will say, oh, the pastor is strange, this person is strange, that person is strange, you will always excuse that way.
세 번째,
Now, last number 3.
인재를 키우는 사람이 돼야 됩니다.
You must be the one who raise up elites.
그러려면 여러분 힘이 있어야 돼요.
Then to do that, you have to have
3
strength.
기업을 보세요.
That's why you have to see 3 entrepreneurships.
선교적 기업을 해가지고요. 앞으로 선교적인 눈을 가지고 있는 인재들 키워야
With the
돼요.
missions entrepreneurships, you have to raise up elites with the eyes to perceive what missions are.
문화적 천재성을 가진 사람,
And you also have to raise up elites with the genius of culture.
사회 살릴 수 있는 사람.
And so the people who can save the society as well.
뭐 우리 봉은님 이사님 한국에서 왔는데 나는 뭐 잘 모르는데 한국에 우리 다락방 랩런트 가운데 뭐 김기사 앱인가 만든 친구가 있다 하더라고요.
And so our Miss Pong is visiting us from Korea, and she told me that once that in Korea, in Tarapang, one of the Tarapang members actually created this app called for like a taxi or something.
그 내비게이션.
So it's the app for the navigation.
근데 이 앱을 만드는데요. 이 사람이 몇백억에 그걸 팔았다더라고요.
And so this person developed this app, but later was able to sell that app to a third-party company with lots of money.
여러분 이거 찾아보면 그런 게 나오는
So
거예요.
if you discover this, then things like that will happen.
밤새 맨날 내가 게임 하지 말고
Don't just spend overnight playing game.
이왕 할 거면 한 500억 버릴 게임.
And if you have to play a game, play it so you can make about $5 billion.
500억 버리고 50억 교회 헌금하고
So make $5 billion and give about $5 million as tithe to the church.
그럼 게임하고
And play the game.
안 그러면 반납해.
If not, return your game device.
하루에 30분만.
And just play 30 minutes a day.
어디에 미쳐야 되냐? 내가 제일 잘할 수
So
있는.
where should you go crazy about? To go crazy to the things that you are good at.
기도하겠습니다.
Let us pray.
하나님 아버지 감사합니다.
Father God, we thank
우리
you.
렘넌트를 축복하여
May you bless
주시옵시고
our remnants.
복음 영적 서밋에 도전하는 자들 되게 하시고
With a challenge for the sake of the gospel spiritual summit.
앞으로 일어날 시대에 지향맞는 주역이 되게
Let them
하옵소서.
be that can block the impending disasters.
교회 지향막는 주역 되게
May they become
하옵소서.
the main figures who can block the disaster in the church.
예수 그리스도 이름으로
We pray in the
기도합니다.
name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
아멘.